So yeah, it's grim here in Victoria because we're around 57 cases and it sucks. Yeah, we're gonna be locked down for a big while. This had extended last week, so we're supposed to come out of lockdown today, but it's extended 2 weeks. We're on lockdown until September. And we have a 5-kilometer limit. We have curfew that we can't go out until 9 p.m. every day till 5 a.m. So all the weddings are moved and I have gigs that are cancelled. So sucks big time. Sucks big time. Okay, I need to go out now because I'm gonna head out to Laura's work. We're setting off her car. We're supposed to be out traveling today. We're not because we're on lockdown. She's on leave. I have classes, but I can manage it. But yeah, it sucks. Anyway, hope you all guys have a good day. So in saying that, I'm just gonna talk about lighter things. This camera's heavy, and I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. What's in my bag is I have a water bottle, tiny water. I don't know where to place it. Tiny water bottle, and I have my Ricoh GR3. Sometimes bring this, but sometimes leave it at home. And a face mask. So let's get out of the house and do something. Ooh, I think I hit my camera. Yeah, that's it. That's what's inside my bag. It's empty now. So yeah, I think I should get out of the house now. Because Laura might be waiting. Oh, I still have a pen here. Have a pen. Nonsense video. Spire. So today's just gonna be nonsense video day. We're gonna do a lot of nonsense, and we'll be doing videos. I'm gonna need to drive to Ringwood right now to meet Laura there, because she's leaving her vehicle. What the heck? Yeah, I fixed the camera now. It's gonna be nonsense for the whole set. I do apologize, guys. I'm going crazy with this lockdown. I hope you're not going crazy just like I am. Okay.